I know you gonna dig this.
Just throwing some screws into the optical drive here, the Blu-ray player. And that's pretty much it. Got the hard drive there. Got the Blu-ray player right there, and you know what? Oh jeez, I didn't even put it in right. Hang on. Okay, after a little bit, I got her. I got it done. I got it in the right way, it's facing the right way, the door's on the right side. The hard drive's right next to here, so that's going to work out really good because I don't know if you guys can see this, but let's take a look here. Anyhow, I don't know if you guys can see that right there. I'll take a closer look up, but it's all close to the serial ports. So now I'm just going to place it back in into the box. Great. Right there. Make sure I line it up best with all the holes that I got drilled in there already. Make sure the doors are going to line up nicely. Got the two screws over here. Let's just move this closer. There we go. One screw goes right there. Come on. Perfect. Should fit nicely right there. Woo, almost lost it. Well, it's not the easiest case to work on. Sure looks cool, but not easy. It's nice and tight. I guess we'll find out when I pop it open. Everything's pretty tight, it's not going anywhere. Okay, next is a little bit of cabling. Well, here we go. I got most of it all wired up. I haven't put the plate in yet. I just want to make sure everything's functioning and working. Right now I can only see 4 gigs of RAM. Should have 8. That's a setting I'm going to have to look for. But as we speak, I am loading up Windows. Got the Blu-ray working here. There's the hard drive, front panels and all that. So it's just a matter of me putting in Windows here and getting into that RAM issue there. And I'm going to monitor all the temperatures and stuff like that to see if we're functioning properly, and hopefully we get Windows put on and then we can start playing around. Okay, here I'm just loading up some security software. This is all running off of the processor. There is no graphics card right there at all. everything seems to be working just fine. It's pretty tight in there, but there's lots of room. Back. Look at that. No graphics card. Sweet. Come around to the front. Hit that. And then bang. There's your Blu-rays. Very nice. I like that. All these ports work except for the 1394 because I don't need it. That's your restart. That's your power. And that's pretty much it. I did hook it up to the TV here. It's not quite as big as that. It was like a 4.3 screen, which is fine. It just tells me I need to throw a graphics card in to make it bigger, but that's no big deal. I'm excited that everything turned out good, and that's it for this build. I'm just going to put some software on now and use it. That's about it. Okay guys, man, thanks. Rate, comment, subscribe. I know this video was a little bit choppy in pieces, but so was the build. The build has turned out good. Everything went somewhat smooth. And yeah, let's take another close look. It's running at 8 gigs at 1333. The BIOS for this is very easy. I like this quite a bit. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I can say. Building a computer is usually no big deal. And it turned out great. So check out my other videos and subscribe if you can. Thanks.